Developing a web application using HTML is possible, but HTML is mainly a markup language for structuring content on web pages. You will need other technologies such as CSS for styling and JavaScript for interactivity to create a complete web application. Here's a concise guide. Plan your application. Define the purpose, features, and structure of your web app. HTML structure. Create the structural foundation of your app using HTML. Design pages with meaningful elements like headers, paragraphs, and lists. CSS styling. Use CSS to style your web app. Define colors, fonts, layouts, and responsiveness to ensure a visually appealing user interface. JavaScript for interactivity. Add JavaScript for dynamic behavior, user interactions, and data processing. You can use frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js for more complex applications. Develop forms. Create forms to collect user input. HTML form elements are essential for tasks like user registration and data submission. Server-side processing. For web applications that require server-side processing, you will need a server-side technology like PHP, Python, Ruby, or Node.js. Database integration. Connect your server-side code to database to store and retrieve data. Testing. Thoroughly test your web app both on different web browsers and devices and debug any issues. Optimize performance. Optimize your app's performance by minimizing HTTP requests, optimizing images, and using efficient code. Security. Implement security measures to protect against common web vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting and SQL injection. Deployment. Host your web app on a web browser, cloud platform, or hosting provider and configure your domain. Maintenance and updates. Continuously update your app, address bugs, and add new features to improve user experience.